Hello 6th class. Today we are starting the next exercise. Exercise 4.6. In exercise 4.6 we are going to study about the circles. What we are going to study about? The circles. What is a circle? You know, this shape is called a circle. This is a circle. For example, circle, the shape of a bangle, the shape of a plate. This is the shape of a bindi. These all are circles. Okay. So this is called circle. A circle have a point in which side in the interior of the circle there is a point which is called center. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Center बोलते हैं. Center is that point from which every point on circle is at equal distance. अगर अपन सर्कल पे कोई भी पॉइंट लेते हैं, that point will be at equal distance from this center. From this center, these all are equal distances. Okay, this is called center, and this border is called circumference. Circumference. ठीक है, spelling is CIRCUM, circumference. FERENCE. Okay, so the center is always at equal distance from each and every point on the circumference. Now, for example, I make another circle. This one. This is the center, and this is the circumference. Okay. So the equal distance. So the distance from center to the circumference. This is called radius. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों? Radius बोलते हैं. This OA is called radius. Okay. O is what? Center of circle. Okay. और R is what? Radius of the circle. Okay. This is center of circle. This is radius of circle. Now see, in a circle, this is center, this is radius, and if I draw this radius to the back side also, for example, a line drawn touching the circle on 2 points and passing through the center is called a diameter. This AB is called diameter. So I am writing R की जगह पर अपन लिख देते हैं OA. OA is what? The radius of the circle, and AB is what? Diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle. This AB is called what? Diameter of the circle. Okay. Now, what I tell you? Another line touching the circle at 2 points, or that is called chord. What we call this? CHORD, chord. For example, I name it PQ. So PQ is what? Chord. So we can also say that the longest chord is called diameter. There are so many chords. These are what? Chords. But the longest chord, जो सबसे लंबी chord है, that is called diameter. These all are called chords. But this, the longest, passing through the center, is called diameter. Now, see, if I draw a chord, अगर मैंने ये center है, this is your chord AB. Now the chord divides circle into 2 parts. First one is called, these 2 parts are called segments. What we call these? Segment. This one is smaller, this one is big part. The chord is dividing the circle in 2 parts. Chord जो है वो circle को कितने parts में divide करी है? 2 parts में. So the smallest one is called, ये जो smaller वाला है, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? This will be called minor segment. Okay, and the big one is called major segment. This is called minor segment. This is called major segment. This is the center. Okay. if I take any other circle, this is the radius, this is the center O. Now I draw any two radius, OA and OB. If two radius are drawn, chord जो है वो तो सर्कल को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करती है, तो उनको हम बोलते हैं जो बिग वाला पार्ट है दैट इज कॉल्ड मेजर सेगमेंट एंड द स्मॉलर इज कॉल्ड माइनर सेगमेंट. बट इफ आई ड्रॉ टू रेडियस फ्रॉम द सेंटर, अगर मैंने सेंटर से टू रेडियस ड्रॉ किए हैं, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ शेप इज कॉल्ड सेक्टर. What we call this? Sector. This is a small part, this is big part. So big one is called major sector and the smaller is called minor sector. Major means bada, minor means छोटा. So this is called major sector, this is called minor sector. Likewise, so I have told you so many terms of this chapter circle. You draw the pics, you draw the diagrams and then try to find out these terms. Okay, which one is radius, which one is diameter, which one is center, what is called circumference. You should always know the fundamental of this any topic. Whatever the topic is, you always start from the fundamental. So ये सारे fundamentals हैं, ये आपको पहले आपको पता होने चाहिए, then you can move forward. So now let's start some questions. Okay, I have told you so many things. I am just recalling all the terms now. This one is called center, which is in the interior part of the circle. Okay, the radius, the distance from center to the circumference, this boundary is called what? Circumference. So the distance from center to the circumference, this one is called radius. When I draw this radius to the back side also, then it becomes a diameter, or we can say the line touching the circle at 2 points and passing through the center is called diameter. Now the line touching circle at 2 points, any of the line, these all are called chord. So diameter can also be said as longest chord. Okay, now if I draw a chord, then chord divides circle into two parts. This one is called major segment, this one is called minor segment. But if I draw two radius, then this one is called minor sector and this one is called major sector. Now we come to the exercise number 4.6. Let's start questions. So